Some of us hide. We don't play big because we're afraid of failing. Some of us don't play big because we're afraid of succeeding in case other people don't like us. But frequently, we hide too often. How many of you, if you're honest, wouldn't dare put your hand up in class and ask for help? You wouldn't dare stand up to do an assembly from the front of the class, even though you've got something worth sharing. How many of you are afraid to even try? I would love you to remove that 3 little letter word from your vocabulary and remove the word try. And instead of saying, I'll try, just do or do not. But if you don't, make sure it's for a good reason, not just because you're scared. Grab the opportunity and go for it. Stop playing small. Play big. Because if you play small, typically you don't get the opportunities that other people who play big get. Not only that, but it numbs you. It makes you procrastinate and not take action. It's all about the action you take when you play big. Let me be honest with you, if I may. To my shame, you're looking at someone who, up until the age of 30, would strive for and achieve nothing at all. And yet, at the age of 30, I woke up. I started believing the top achievers that I was interviewing for my research. I started to step up, play big. I started to take action. Did I fail? Yes, I failed occasionally. But you know what? You still fail when you play small. So why don't we play big and succeed big occasionally and fail occasionally, rather than play small and fail occasionally and get small? My friends, you deserve to play big. So rather than do nothing for 30 years like me, start stepping up now. Press the button on your life that will make you have that shift of thinking and behaviour. Be the person you need to be, not the person you think you have to be to fit in and hide. Be proactive, stop being reactive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at davidhyner.com to claim your free audiobook. Until the next time, go Rhino. Avin it.